Today we got back from an epic fishing trip.
Bring him in. Bring him in. Nice and easy. Pull him over.
Alright, so we're going out. We lost the hats over there. So we're gonna try to get that.
What side do you want it on?
I should get this side again. Shit. Did it sink? Okay, nice. Wait, first catch of the day. Let's go. Free hat.
All right. We caught something today.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Alright guys, we're hooked up to our first fish. I think he's big.
Hold on.
We're taking some line out. Let's go. Right. He's on the live mullet rod.
Nice and easy.
Keep the rod tip up, Smith.
All right, guys, everybody just be calm, okay?
Sure. Let's go. Alright, this is a big fish, guys. Let's hope it's not a junk fish. It's a lizard fish.
Nice and easy.
Plus, it's not a lizard. Yeah, I was taking a lot of line. Let's hope it's a flounder or a shark. It could be.
Hold on, let me see.
Gosh, this fish is. Look at that line just going out.
I'm trying to. I don't want to keep it off the boat.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Alright, just come nice lift. Now go down. Yeah.
Oh wait, what is it? Is that a shark?
Yeah.
Oh, shark! Oh, big shark, guys. Big shark. Oh wait, he isn't big, but nice.
Alright, hold it right there.
That, yeah, nice, Smith. Dad, what kind of shark is that?
It's a black tip.
That's not, is that a white tip?
Well, what's a white tip?
That's
Hey
the
guys,
thing.
where's the D-hooker?
D-hooker, is it?
Wait, I just saw another shark.
Yeah, I bet.
I just saw
here.
him.
Alright, Wells.
Dad, watch your fingers.
Alright, let's see. What are you saying? Just hold it right there.
So watch, don't get him in the boat. There's another shark.
Yeah, I just saw another
Did you see
one.
another one down there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we saw
The
one.
other one is like the same size. I just don't understand the running.
Oh yeah. Alright. Back up for me, baby.
Yeah, I think that's a white tip reef
Back up
shark.
right through there.
Yes, but that's
Like a sand shark.
a sandbar. There goes the rag, and there goes the shark. Okay, we got cut off, but oh, Dad, you cut him off.
It broke off.
At least, all right.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Hot.
Go. Once again, shark. Yeah. Yeah, he's on. Oh my gosh. We put this in the top rod holder, and it was tearing drag. And I was fishing that squid. It was insane. Oh!
That is what you call a big fish.
He just started taking drag as it was in the rod holder.
Dad, do you want me to reel my rod in?
You can, babe.
I'm just gonna do something.
Oh my.
sure that like
Big shark.
what?
Big shark.
Wait, did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Bigger than mine.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's a big shark well.
Oh, this is like my redfish. Every time, what?
Is that your biggest ever shark?
I don't know.
If you land it? Well, I think that's pretty big.
Smith, how do you think this compares to yours?
It's like maybe.
Because I might want you to come near it a little bit.
Wait, can I, Wells?
In a second, maybe.
Can I, Wells?
Maybe. There we go. Wait, is that a black? That's a black tip.
There's a black tip. Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah, see it?
That's a black tip.
Good job.
Thank you.
2 sharks in the.
Yeah, it's a black tip.
If he runs again, tired, aren't you, boy?
If he runs again, can I have it, Wells? What?
I was just pumping that thing. See that? Yeah, that's a black tip.
Yeah, that's the black
That's
tip.
100%. Or maybe
He
not.
swallowed that.
After the first shark, we get a different shark.
All right, let's go. Let's see it.
Oh boy! Oh my god! Well, now we might both catch a shark. Here,
All right, bring it down to me. Bring it down to me. All right, Wells, leader him.
Yeah, that's a little littler, right?
Yeah. He's bleeding.
All right, good
We're
job.
gonna get back where it's my bedtime.
Shark on, baby. Oh, look at it. Oh my god.
Well, let me have it. Dad, can I have it?
All right, let's go.
Can I have it?
Let's go. Y'all take turns. We'll catch another one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Wells.
Here, well, let me take it from here. Let me take it from here.
Hey.
I'm not letting
All right, let's see him. All right, Wells, hold him. Hold him.
Steven wanted to hear
Hold him
that.
real.
There he is.
Well, here, can I have it, Well?
Okay. Okay. Well, I don't think I can make it, Steve. You know, y'all ain't leaving for 6. I know you ain't gonna be back for
So today we got back from an epic fishing trip. Caught a bunch of stuff. We caught 2 sharks, and I think it was a sea mullet. We're not sure. But so the rod that we were using the shark with, that we were trying to catch, that we had the shark on, we saw and heard this screaming drag, and the rod was moving so much, and it was big. And then so finally told me about your shark. Then I caught a shark, and I was riding, and just like went straight down. And then we were using a boxtail and a highlighter rig, and then we caught the 2 shark on a mullet. And then, yeah, it was a pretty good fish.